Sunshine has been in short supply for most of us so far this winter, so enjoy today because for many it is a sparkling day of blue sky. Not everywhere though, there is quite a lot of cloud across northwest England, western Scotland and Northern Ireland, and tonight, as is often the case in the winter months with clear skies, we are going to see some fog and frost patches. Here's the bigger picture. You can see largely clear skies to the south, cloudier conditions further north. The clearest skies closest to the area of high pressure, which is dominating. One weather front's trickling away to the southeast, another one way up to the north. That one will bring perhaps a bit more cloud across the Northern Isles, a little bit of patchy rain possible here, and certainly the cloud spilling in on a brisk westerly winds across western Scotland, Northern Ireland and parts of northwest England. So quite windy across the far north, but further south the winds are light and there's plenty of sunshine. Temperatures, well, broadly speaking, similar across the board, but some of the highest temperatures are likely to be across the eastern side of Scotland with that strong westerly wind as it goes over the mountains. Things tend to warm up on the lee side. So 12, maybe 13 Celsius in Aberdeenshire. Generally speaking, 7, 8, 9 degrees should cover it. Those temperatures will fall quite quickly this evening with the clear skies across the south, frost forming in rural areas before midnight. Meanwhile, we'll keep a stiff breeze blowing across the north and a lot of cloud here, but apart from a bit of drizzle at times over the Northern Isles and the Highlands, it's a dry night. We will, though, see fog patches forming across the south, particularly central and southern parts of England, and temperatures likely here to drop below freezing by dawn, even in urban areas. But further north, the cloud and the breeze should prevent too much frost. So a bit of a north-south split again with Thursday's weather. The south starting with some dense fog patches. Just be aware of those for the morning commute, but they should clear. The frost will disappear, and then for much of the south, it's another day of sunshine. Further north, generally bright conditions, some sunshine at times, but thick cloud persisting over the Western Isles and the Highlands of Scotland, and staying fairly breezy here too. But again, that's where we'll see the top temperatures, 10, 11, maybe 12 Celsius. Further south, temperatures struggling a little bit more, 6, 7, 8 Celsius, but perhaps up to double figures in the far southwest. Thursday evening, again, those clear skies across the south will allow some frost to form and some fog patches as well. A bit more in the way of rain moving into the Northern Isles at this stage from a weak weather front. But high pressure continuing to dominate for most of us as we head into the weekend. It does tend to shrink away a little bit to the east, which will eventually allow weather fronts to bring a few showers in, perhaps during the second half of the weekend. But for most places, through the rest of this week and even into the weekend, staying largely dry, continued likelihood of fog and patches of frost. Keep up to date with everything from the Met Office by following us across social media.